we about to plant some flowers and clean up in this city. We starting one block at a time. We have all our volunteers out here today. Thank everyone for coming. And we're going to get this city clean. Even you cleaning. Where your little stick cleaning stick? You got your clean. Go get your cleaning stick for mommy. All right. What you doing today? You cleaning up? That's right. We cleaning the city up. That's right. Tell what you telling people to do with it. That's right. Go ahead. Go ahead, baby. That's right. That's right. That's what I'm talking about.